I can't help but think of Johnny Cash when I got this Martin OX Black HPL Tenor Ukulele. Now this is their made in Mexico HPL tenor ukulele, one of them. And HPL is a high pressure laminate. And what's actually surprising about these is they sound. They sound clear and have a nice warm tone to them, considering they are a high pressure laminate. But this one is their all black on black. This does have a satin finish on them, and I like it. Like I said, it reminds me of Johnny Cash, the man in black, the true man in black, just because of the simplicity. Just black ukulele, very simple. It's got the birch laminate neck, actually pretty cool looking. Open gear tuners, and then one thing about these Martins, and it doesn't matter if I have this HPL or I have an IS model, or I have a T1K, is that, or I'm looking at a vintage one. They're so similar in the way they feel, both in the body size and shape, but also really the neck. They taper down and they get thinner and thinner. And by the time you get up here to around the nut area, they're really thin, really easy to play. Nice low action right there as well. Open gear tuners, 1 5/16 nut width, and a 17-inch tenor scale length with the Tuss compensated saddle, and then just a hardwood fretboard and bridge. So that's it. Like, just a very simple ukulele. Let me do a little bit more playing, and then I'll go over a few more details and let me know your thoughts on this. Some of my members over at Uke Like the Pros might recognize that. It's not really, but parts of Sonny's Jubilee, a piece I wrote for a challenge that we're having over at ukelikeThePros.com. But there you go. Also, the other thing is, these actually great value for them, and they come with the Martin padded gig bag as well. So let me know your thoughts here on the OX Black HPL Tenor Ukulele. You can get this and the full line of Martins, ukuleles and guitars, over at TerryCarterMusicStore.com. And then, as I mentioned, check out Uke Like the Pros, because besides our membership, besides our courses, we do a bunch of giveaways, we do challenges. I have a bunch of free courses over there as well that you can dive in and take a look and just start learning and think about coming and being part of our great community we have over there. But there it is. Let me know your thoughts. The Martin OX Black HPL Tenor Ukulele.